Moving on to the display, the Pixel 9a is expected to feature a 6.3-inch OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means users can expect smooth scrolling and an overall fluid experience. One of the standout features is its brightness, 1800 nits for full-screen use and up to 2700 nits for HDR content, which is on par with the more premium Pixel 9 models. With this level of brightness, visibility under direct sunlight should be excellent, making it a great choice for outdoor use. Under the hood, Google appears to be sticking with the Tensor G4 chip, the same processor found in the Pixel 9 series. If true, this would be a significant performance boost compared to last year's Pixel 8a. The improved chipset is expected to enhance AI-driven features and overall efficiency. However, there's also speculation that Google might use a binned version of the G4, similar to how Apple approaches its budget models, slightly reducing performance to differentiate it from flagship devices. Either way, the Pixel 9a is shaping up to be a powerful mid-range phone. When it comes to battery life, the Pixel 9a is rumored to house a 5100 mAh battery, a welcome upgrade from its predecessor. This should provide all-day usage without the need for frequent charging. The phone is also expected to support 23W wired charging and 7.5W wireless charging, ensuring decent charging speeds. Another key upgrade is the fingerprint sensor. Google is reportedly moving it under the display, a much-needed improvement over the previous side-mounted sensors found in earlier A-series models. On the front, the Pixel 9a will likely feature a 13MP punch-hole selfie camera, keeping the design sleek and modern. And perhaps the most exciting part, the price. Leaks suggest that the Pixel 9a will start at $499, positioning it as a strong contender in the budget-friendly smartphone market. Additionally, we might not have to wait long for its official debut, as it's expected to be unveiled on March 19th. So, what do you think? Is the Pixel 9a shaping up to be a solid budget phone, or are you waiting to see what else Google has in store? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.